Okay. Okay, it's all over my face. And if I need to put more on, I can do that. Okay, now I'm gonna turn it on. Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm excited to be unboxing and trying out this HR Ussera Deep Shot from Medicube. Now, Medicube is a Korean company that has a lot of innovative beauty devices and skincare, and I was first introduced to them through New Beauty's Beauty Pass program. I tried out one of their creams, I loved it, and I wanted to see what else they had to offer. So I'm slowly getting my way through their devices and products, but this is actually going to be the first device that I'm going to be trying out. And opening the box, this is kind of what you see. There's some precautions, user manual, and this. The device itself, a charging cable, and then a cute little cradle for the device to charge in. And the way this particular device works is it works with high frequency sound waves that are supposed to emit energy under your skin, and that's going to help you produce collagen and elastin and give us that nice youthful glow and plump things up. So really excited about this. You do want to work with clean, dry skin, so I did double clean and took off any kind of makeup, at least on my skin. There might be some residual on my eyes. And you also want to make sure that you're not using this in certain areas, but I will go over that as I kind of get into the treatment. You are going to be working on, it's kind of like shots. So this will be to turn on the device. This is to change the level, and then this is to give the shot. Just some interesting things to know about this particular device. And your face is going to be separated in zones. So the way I've seen is kind of your cheeks are each one zone, your jaw's a zone, your neck's a zone, and your forehead's a zone. And within each zone, you want to do 5 to 10 shots, not going over the same area more than twice. You want to use a gel to kind of make sure you're protecting your skin and you're able to glide across your face doing the shots. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab this. This is the HR Collagen Booster Gel. This is also from Medicube. And this is what they recommend to use with it. You can use it with the device, but you don't have to use it with the device. So this gel has plant stem cell extract, so it is made to be used with the device. If you don't have it, there are probably some other conducive gels you can use, but I would always check before doing that. And when you're doing this, you want to make sure that you're avoiding under your eyes, kind of your neck area here, and then above your lip. Those are the things you want to avoid, as well as if you've had any kind of medical procedure or surgery on your face or neck, you want to consult a doctor before using and not do it right away. So this is a fun excuse to use my cute little onigiri headband. That's just super cute. Okay, this is where I'm starting with. There are different levels. I am going to start with level 1 just because it's my first time doing it. So I'm going to go ahead and first apply the gel. So there's 2 ways you can do this. They do recommend that you use the device to apply the gel. If you want, you could also put it directly on your skin. I'm going to go with their recommendation for the first time, and then maybe in the future I will do something different. So I'm going to apply a good amount of gel, and you're actually going to use the device in off mode to put it all over. Really cooling. Feels really good. I'm going to put it everywhere that I'm going to be going over and doing my shots. Now, this is not something that you need to do it exactly the way I'm about to show you, and I'm probably not going to get it exactly the same way that maybe some of the demos I've seen are doing it. But the idea here is within each zone, you want to do 5 to 10 shots. You don't want to go over the same area more than twice, and you do want to do these shots. So from what I've seen, you could do about 80 to 100 shots on your entire face and neck, depending on if you're doing your forehead or not. 1. So I don't know if you can tell. There we go. That means level 1. And I think if I push it, it will go to multiple levels. You can kind of see 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, I'm starting at 1. And when you do a shot, you push this And I am curious if you're supposed to continuously push it or just push it once. I'm gonna try just pushing it once. And then once you get 10 shots, which is kind of the max for one zone, you're gonna hear a special noise. So let's do it. So, okay, we'll start here. Push. It beeps when you push it. Or does it beep when it's done? Okay, we'll try that again. Different spot. Okay, it beeps while it's doing it. That's good to know. Feel a slight warming, but definitely doesn't hurt. Okay, I did going kind of up. Do the same thing. Oops. I pushed it without putting on my skin. Oh, this is a learning experience. Ooh, it's pretty warm. It's kind of nice. See, and then we'll do here, and then I'm gonna do here. Once again, not in my eyes, but just right under them. Okay. Let me see. That was 3. Okay, now I have 2 more to do for my cheek. But it might yell at me, so we'll see. I think I do like this. Okay. It thinks I've done 10 because I accidentally pushed it, but we're still gonna do 1 more. So just know we'll be off by 1. Okay, so that's 1 cheek. Do the same thing for this side. Kind of starting here, here. Start here. I think I'm gonna start like this. 1, 2, 3, down here. 1, 2, 3, here. 1, 2, no, do. No. Yep, thinks I did 10, which technically did, but not. Okay, so those are my cheeks. Some people go over them more than once. I'm only gonna do once for this demo because it's my first time doing it and I don't want to get too crazy. Now I'm going to do my jaw. So the jaw should be 5, and yeah, it's gonna be interesting. 5 on each side of my jaw. So we'll do here, push, 1, 2, 3. I'm gonna do under the jaw. Guess I'll hold it this way. That's probably better. 1, 2. Kind of sculpting. Okay, let's do the other side. 1, 2, 3. Turn it around. Okay, keep going. Okay, so that's my cheeks and my jaw. I'm now gonna do my neck. My neck, I'm gonna go 1, 2, 3. Then I'm gonna do the sides, and then I'm actually going to do the, I don't know, down here, but I need to put more gel on my neck. So I'm gonna go ahead and first put some more gel on. One thing I will say, maybe one of the benefits of doing it in zones in terms of putting on the gel versus putting it all on at once, is it will tend to dry and might dry before you kind of get to that area. So just one thing to keep in mind. I don't want to get too low because I don't want to get close to my necklace. Okay, so let's do down here now. 1, sculpting the chin. Neck. It's good if you have a double chin, turkey neck, any of those things. You do want to avoid the middle part of your neck also. It's an Adam's apple. I'm getting the hang of it. Beginning was a little rocky, but now I'm doing better. Okay, let's do, I guess, 1 here. So it is a slight warming sensation, nothing uncomfortable, nothing weird. And then just one more here. Okay. Now, like I said, some people go over multiple times. I'm just doing it once, and now I'm gonna do my forehead, which also did dry. So yes, next time I will be putting on the gel in zones so as not to waste. Not that I'm necessarily wasting, but just using maybe more gel than I normally would have. I'm gonna put some over here to kind of the side temple. People have crow's feet, and definitely under here. And this is the part I think that I focus the most on in my anti-aging, so I'll definitely go over this area. So I'm gonna do, let's see, this way, 2, here, my glabellar lines my 11s, ooh, nice heat there, this way. I'm actually gonna go up a little bit. Now, this is not an exact science. You can kind of do what feels good, kind of aiming for the 5 to 10 shots per zone. And just keep in mind the areas not to go over, or any areas, like I said, that you've had medical procedures recently. Other than that, you don't have to do this exact way. Okay, so I have done, actually I'm gonna do one more here. One more set on my forehead, and then I'm done. 2. Okay, and then one more here. Okay, I'm gonna turn this off, clean it up, and I'm done for my treatment for today. So this is where I'm at right now. This gel, it's a little sticky, but I mean, that's what you would expect of a conducive gel, especially here where I just applied more. I'll rub that in. I could also wash it off if I don't want to be sticky. But so far, I think it looks good. They do say don't do this more than 2 to 3 times a week. So we'll see how it goes. There is no redness from what I can see. There was a little bit of heat. My skin didn't get hot. I just felt it from the device itself. And overall, I think this could be a really good thing to add to my routine. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you learned something. Please let me know in the comments down below if you've used this device before or any other Medicube devices. If you have different tips or technique, I would love to learn. I was a little hesitant to kind of start using it in the beginning, but I kind of found my way as I was going. So, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out my next video. I hope you have an amazing day. Thank you. Bye.